Hivi Migori.
Mahewa anyuola 5,000 e kaunti za 14 igeno ni biro yudo konyruok mar pi kod teko stima e bwo chenro mar Kenya Off-Grid Solar Access mong'ere kaka KOSPA mageto tiyo gi teko mar wang' chieng'. Duol makeyo teko stima e gwenge Rerek wacho ni gedo mar dag stimano kata grid matiyo kod teko mar chieng' dhi nyime kendo igeno ni obiro rumo e giko mar dwe mar 9. Kodwoko penjo e nyim kamati mar Senate mar teko e wi keto e tim chenrono, jata tije mar Rerek Dr. Rose Mkalama olero ni tich dhi nyime kaka nopangi ka senators nojiwo Rerek mondo omi oti makare kod omenda mag jopiny mar neno ni jopiny owinjo mit mar pesgi.
Now, I'm just telling you, some of these things they are telling you here, they are lies. They are not there. I'm asking you if you have sent people in 2026 to verify that this KOSPA project is on the ground in Tana River County. Or are we pumping money that is just being eaten?
Where we are with the mini grids, there are those ones that are complete, there are those ones that are still under construction, but the delivery time is 30th of September. I can confirm I have visited for the mini grids all the 31 sites that have confirmed.
The CS National Treasury was Mr. Henry Rotich. He's alive. The CS Energy was our friend, former senator, is Charles Keter. He's still around. I think there's an article in the Constitution that allows us to call anybody to make accountability. But, Chairman, I wanted to propose that on this particular matter, that we call the CS Energy, and if the CS Energy defers it to Treasury, we call CS Treasury, and anybody who needs to be called, so that we find out why this 20 billion had to be signed in a rush. And to date, 10 years down the line, not a single borehole has been solarized. Not a single mini-grid has been completed.
We have done a few mini-grids in your region, Senator. We have, I don't know, Takawiri has been done. We have done Mageta, we have done Ngode, we are currently implementing Kibogi, and this year we are also going to be doing Kiwa. I know there are many, but we are starting Pole Pole. But we have also done one in Kwale.
Rerek is telling us that in the people of Turkana West, Oropoi, will have to wait for the year 2058 for their boreholes to be completed. Nakwangat will have to wait for 2057. So this is Ruto's vision 2060. To solarize a borehole. CEO, these are your documents. Under
Chair,
Annex 2.
My apologies,
The
Chair.
people of Akala... Wait. The people of Akalaliot will have to wait for 2056 for a borehole to be solarized. I think we need a little bit of seriousness. And, Chairman, we need to get the CS Energy here to tell us who is this who was signing 20 billion loan in September, 2 days after nullification of a presidential election. This is messy. This is stinky. And if Energy cannot deal with it, then public accounts will deal with it.
The report on completion dates is so unreal that even if she had not remembered to say it, it was not believable. There are many in this room who will not even be there in the first place.
No, it's okay. She had said.
by that time.
We have a proposal to be in your county from 17th to 20th of this month to check on last mile projects within Homa Bay County. So the letter should be coming in the course of the week or next week so that you can prepare yourself and tell us in advance so that we don't schedule and you're not available.
Imero neno kendo winjo weche